In today's video, we will be learning how to fold clothes to save space. Believe it or not, all of this laundry you see right here is going to be in 3 short drawers. So you will see how everything can fit. So here's like a quick overview. I have my things separated based on, this is the pajama drawer. I like for everything to be matched up so I can just go in there and grab it. This is jeans, pants, and long sleeve shirts. We are in Texas, so we kind of have to keep all of our seasons still going. The back part of that drawer, I had just extra things, and then I also had all of the shorts and t-shirts. Now, this pair of pants, you will see, has been through it all, because I have like the Muddy Puddle jumper. I went ahead and kind of de-lint it. We have kitty cats and dogs and birds and everything else, so even though it came straight from the dryer, still there was a little bit of little stuff there, so I go ahead and I de-lint it before I put it away. There he is. That's my Muddy Puddle jumper. But I also have 3 other kids, and so we have a tremendous amount of laundry. So, it's up to you whether or not you want to do this step or not. Sometimes you don't have time. I don't always have time to do it. So the way that you're going to fold your pants to be able to fit into the drawers as shown previously is to fold them one on top of the other. And then you just kind of squish it down, flatten it out. I tuck in all the tags or pockets. This one is going to be folded in 3s. Oh, excuse me. But because of the depth of my drawers, I actually like to fold them in 4s now that he's getting a little bit longer and taller. These are either going to be a size 4 or 5, so that kind of gives you an idea. On t-shirts, it's very easy. You do not need any special little folding thing. I've seen all kinds of stuff. I mean, it seems to me that it's still you folding it. So I like to put it on its front side so that I can have the front side showing, or if there's a print on the back, then I would do it the other way around. So again, I'm going to flip it over, just cut it in half like that. Smooth it out with your hands, tuck in the sleeves, and then you're just going to fold it in either 3s or 4s, depending on the size of your drawer. Very easy, kind of smush it down. It takes very little space, and you can see exactly what is in the drawer. Same thing with sweaters or long sleeves, pajama tops, everything is going to be the same way. This one is made of fleece, so it's obviously thicker, but the same way, you can flip it on top of itself, mirror image. Smooth it out, put the arms down smooth, and then I only do a triple fold, not a quarter fold, because it is so thick, it makes it kind of hard to fit in anyway. You may even just hang yours up. I use my closet for toys. So obviously you're just going to put your socks together. Underwear, it's up to you. I actually leave them just like that, but if you have the limited space or prefer them to be folded, you can fold them in quarters like that, and they fit nicely and stackable. But I just set mine on top. Honestly, we go through a lot of underwear. So now with the cargo shorts, which we tend to have a lot of, they can be a hassle because of the pockets and just the little buttons and gadgets and stuff. So you just smooth it out as best that you can. You want to pull the pockets down from the inside of the leg so that they're smooth. Fold it on top of itself. And you can either fold it in half if you have deep enough drawers to put it in, or in my case, I go ahead and I do it in a 1/3 so that I can fit it in there. So it's going to take up a little bit more space in the thickness, but it fits into the drawer perfectly. So that is how you fold clothes to save space, and you can fit so much laundry into the drawers. And like I said, I'm only using 3 drawers. So this is the top drawer. I have his swim things, some extra pull-ups and wipes just in case we need them, underwear stacked, and then I usually put a little bin for socks because I don't always have time to match all the socks depending on what's going on. So I'll throw them in there when I have a chance. I just match everything up, but at least they're together and easy to get to if I'm needing to get to them, because somehow or another we always end up with missing socks. It's like the dryer eats them, I think the cat eats them, something eats my socks, especially the little ones. So as you can see, this is the shorts drawer. In the very back of it, I have just paired items, like some outfits that are paired together, so I don't split them up. I like them to be together. And then on the shorts, you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, actually 7 pairs of shorts in there, and there's 15 short sleeve shirts. And then I just put a blanket towards the back to fill space when I'm running short on space, like if I have not enough clothes. Like we're just now coming into summer, so by the end of summer we will have that full drawer complete. And last year when we came into winter, we had the same thing with our pants and long sleeve drawer. Now it's packed because we're just coming out of winter. So here we go. Actually, I did 4 drawers because I did have the underwear and everything there. But the top drawer to the left is all pajamas. So I do my pajamas based on the season, whether it's going to be lightweight or heavy. And then the drawer below that is long sleeves and jeans, but you can see all of it fits very nicely, and you can see what colors go with what. So if you like this video, please comment below, please subscribe, and please like the video. It helps us to keep creating more videos for you, and we have more things coming that are helpful ways to organize your home, because I know how it is. Like I said, a lot of kids, a lot of need for organization. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.